Oh my gosh. It's a ghost. It's a tactical ghost. You got another battery on you? Sweet!
Oh my!
What? Oh, my bad. Okay, sorry. You're still in. You're still in. I'm done with that. Yo! You what?
Count down for like 1 second. Just hold it.
He just handed me his pistol. He's like, can I borrow your rifle real quick? I'm like, what do I say? No?
Not right there.
Oh, nice hit.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to shoot you that close.
You're good.
Hey, I don't need it.
Huh?
Bang bang. I don't want to shoot you. Bang bang.
Wait, what?
I don't want to shoot you. Bang bang. Do you want me to shoot you? Clear.
No, but I'm only calling it because that thing hurt last time.
Someone over there was overshooting.
Good. Oh, my bad. I got you. He said that he shot me. He shot right next to me. I swear I didn't cheat. That was a trade. Hit. Hit, man.
And they're just like, I'm taking all the fire, everybody go, go, go. Woohoo.
Alan, do something stupid, as usual. This is probably going on YouTube. It's like, what do you want to say? He's like, hey, what?
Julia,
What's up? Hey Cole, look, there's another girl. Y'all should team up.